So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this stylish title slide. So first go to Insert, Shapes, and add a rounded rectangle, somewhat like this. Now click and drag the yellow circle to make the edges completely rounded. Now go ahead and place this just up over here. Then hold down Ctrl and drag to the right to duplicate it. Do this a couple of more times. Now once you've duplicated it a couple of times, it doesn't matter even if they're uneven, select all of them, go to Shape Format, Align, and select Distribute Horizontally. Now you want to scatter them up and down a little to create some variety. Now that we have our design pattern ready, go to Insert, add another shape, just a regular rectangle, and make it the entire slide. Now right-click this new shape and click on Send to Back. Now with this selected, select everything else. Now go to Merge Shapes and Subtract. Now with the shape selected, change the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to white. Now it will seem like all progress is undone, but don't worry, we're going to get to that in just a second. Now insert your image. Once you've inserted your image, select Crop and drag the handles all the way to the ends of the slide. Now click on the drop down under Crop and select Fill. Now right click the image and Send to Back. Now you can see the effect slowly coming together. Now go to Animations and choose the line animation. Then under Effect Options, choose Left. Now you can move these points as you choose. Now once you're happy with the positioning of the points, in the animation ribbon, change the start to with previous and change the duration to 5 seconds. Now you're free to add your title or text or anything else in the remaining portion of the slide. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.